So if you're watching this video for the second time, I want to say thank you. I had to go into the lab, do some more editing on this video, put a couple blurs in. Somebody reported my previous video to YouTube for privacy concerns. And you know what? It is what it is. I don't mind. I'll put a little more work into it. I'll re-edit it, re-upload it so I can get that money. But look, thank you for watching this. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end because I got a special message for you to all you DoorDash drivers and especially all you haters out there.
I'm legally blind.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order done. Let's go ahead and complete that. Bada bing, bada boom. $0 tip. No name customer. Next up, we got this offer right here. 8-mile total distance. Looks like we got a Panera pickup and a Penn Station pickup. I don't like this furthest delivery right here, going all the way down the highway. But you know what? It's not the busy time. We need to stay with some orders. Earn by time is going to give us the most profitability. So let's see. They want us to head to Penn Station first. All right, let's get it. Looks like we picking up at Penn Station first, and then we're gonna head over to Panera after that. Is that my DoorDash order?
I hope so.
It is. That is for Peyton right there. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Now, normally I don't like taking double dashes, normally. But in this situation, with it being 8 miles total, I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and see if this one might be worth it, because in the past, I've gotten earned by time offers that were 8 mile total for one order. And I'm like, I don't really like delivering one order going 8 miles away because there's a possibility of round trip miles. And while there still is that possibility of driving some round trip miles on this order, the increase in pay may make it worth it, especially with this being the slow time. We in that time between breakfast and lunch where you basically can gamble if you're gonna get an order or not. And I got to earn by time order. It's not quite gonna last the whole hour, but at the same time, it's like, look, if I got 2 pickups and I got to drive 8 miles, that's much better than one offer going 8 miles on earn by time, because the first one was ready. And, you know, I got it. Now, if it was me heading to the customer right now, that offer wouldn't be worth it because the base pay wouldn't be enough. But we finna head up into Panera, grab this order for, who is this order for? Let me see. Panera order is for the Groot. Damn, the Groot got a lot of stuff. Let's see if they got this ready.
Place is usually packed.
So we currently heading to drop off number 2. The Panera customer had 2 drinks in the bag. It was a hand to me, but I made sure I hit the support message and took a picture, because you never know. Now we currently heading to customer number 2 right now. We about 6 minutes away. They stay out here by the cornfields, you know, where it ain't no street lights and nothing. You know, no sewers, no street lights, no sidewalks, none of that. Cornfields. So since the time I accepted this offer, the time right now is 12:56. I accepted this one at 12:26. I've been on this order 30 minutes already. So there's definitely gonna be $7 worth of base pay. I feel like if there's any chance for a tip, it's gonna be from that Panera customer. They had the biggest order and they were closest to the merchants. So if there's any chance for a good tip, is gonna be from that customer, because this customer that I'm dropping off to, this Penn Station, they stay 8 miles away and they are the least considerate of the 2. And yeah, total time on this order gonna be like 40 minutes. That's absolutely crazy to have a Penn Station sandwich sit in my car for 40 minutes along with the drink that's been getting watery. That's absolutely insane. So, you know, DoorDash customers are trash. If you think you order from 8 miles away and your food's still gonna be good, you're a clown. Straight up. DoorDash customers, you are clowns. And yes, I said it, and I say it again. You are a clown. Let's go ahead and get this clown order delivered real quick. 2, we have made it. Let's go ahead and get this thing delivered. Can't believe these people ordered from 8 miles away. What a clown. All right, time to go to the circus. Well, I was wrong. The Panera customer was a clown and he was a clown. Both of them was clowns. The Panera customer tipped $0. That clown ass customer tipped $2.50. So both of them damn customers was clowns, y'all. Sometimes you're gonna be wrong, you know. Hey, I thought we had, you know, potentially one clown customer. Oh no, we had two full clowns. Finally, on the way back order, we got 4.5 miles. What's that? 4.5 miles at Mexican joint, La Fonda Mexican restaurant. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Boom. Let's head on over there. All right, so check this out. Customer number 1 ordered cheese dip. They sending me an add-on for Chipotle right now, an additional 0.3. That's the best additional mileage I've ever gotten in my whole life. So we definitely gonna be taking that. Boom, an additional 0.3 at Chipotle. We pulling up to grab this cheese dip right now. Literally, this customer ordered cheese dip. It must be like they forgot the cheese dip and they just requested it through DoorDash. This is absolutely crazy. Heading here to grab just some cheese dip. It's absolutely crazy. $4.66 for cheese dip. It's absolutely insane, DoorDash. Actually, it ain't even DoorDash. This is the merchant. They charge $4.29 for cheese dip. And DoorDash let them do it. Let them place it for delivery. This is crazy. DoorDash cheese dip delivery. I've never delivered cheese dip in my life. It's crazy. Alrighty. Now where's the front door? This is crazy. Cheese dip delivery. Alright. Picture. Alright. DoorDash. Boom. Now, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a $0 tip on the cheese dip delivery. Nope, it actually was $1 on there. That's crazy. Well, shout out to that customer for tipping $1 and the other customer too. And my dash has ended. Let's see how much we made for that dash. Oh, it looks like I got another one scheduled too for 2 p.m. So that's great. We made $27.41 for an hour and 26 minutes of dash time. Active time, an hour and 12 minutes. So that's like one of the first times my active time and my dash time is really close. Meaning I was on the order basically the whole time of that dash. That's like a first for me. And then for me to end my dash in my zone, that's also a first because they always take me up out of my zone. We've been moving, guys. Last night I was able to get my AR up, and with the few orders that I just completed right now, y'all ain't finna believe this. Check this out. 87%. 87% acceptance rate, man. Absolutely crazy. But I've been accepting everything. I unassigned a few, and a couple of them last night I had to unassign worry-free, and that's why my completion rate went down to 93. But look, I said, look, you know, sometimes you got to take that hit because trying to keep your ratings perfectly perfect will get you deactivated. So I said, you know what? I got to take this one on the chin, down to 94 to 93 on the completion rate, and it's cool. My acceptance rate is up. I'll get my completion rate up with the better offers that hopefully I'll be seeing. Fuck you, DoorDash. You out here deactivating everybody. I know you're going to deactivate me soon. So before it happened, I just want to personally say fuck you. I don't care. I already got another account set up. And also to all my DoorDash haters, fuck you too. Matter of fact, who we got? Hold on. Let me pull it up because I keep cataloging all y'all ass. Hold on. We got lots of haters out here. Let me pull up my comment section and see who been talking stuff. Deactivated. Let's see. Joseph6727. Yeah, you a clown and you suck. And guess what? As soon as I get deactivated, I'm gonna be right back on, and you cannot stop me. Let's see. Don't take it personal that they haven't deactivated you yet. Yeah, you can kiss my ass too. Who else we got up in here? Somebody want to know my thoughts on Pedro and Chuck being deactivated. My thoughts is fuck DoorDash. That's my thoughts. Next. Who else? And look, to all you people who out there want to be a DoorDash kiss ass and say, oh, this, that. Fuck you too. How about that? Because at the end of the day, I don't give a damn about DoorDash. I don't make most of my money with them. And at this point, it's just about clowning DoorDash and the clown customers who's still on the platform. And also, wait, we can't leave out the dumbass drivers who get mad that we sit up here and show you everything and we don't sugarcoat it. So Fuck you, DoorDash. Deactivate me if you want. I don't give a damn. I'm waiting for it actually because I already got a thumbnail ready and everything. Deactivate me, please. I'm asking for it. I'm begging for it because as soon as you do, you're going to increase my YouTube ad revenue for the next month, and I really appreciate it. And again, to all the folks who want to be on DoorDash side, it's up for you too. Don't think I don't know who you are. And to all the haters who want, somebody to get deactivated and want them to lose an opportunity, and to all the, the SEALs who be so happy when somebody get deactivated, be, thank God they finally got him. You are a clown. I'm telling you right to your face. If you got something to say about it, tag me in your video and let me hear it. But until then, you are a clown to me. You are a goofy. And you know who you are. Let's see, what else do I got to add? Oh yeah, I got like 2-3 more DoorDash videos I'm going to be editing. And just in case I don't say it enough in there, DoorDash, you can kiss my ass. DoorDash customer who like to tip $0, you also can kiss my ass. DoorDash customer who tip $1, you can kiss my ass too. How about that? And if you're 5 miles away and you tip $2, guess what? You on my list too. I got something for all y'all ass on everything. I'm tired of it. I'm not having it. And I'm not cutting out no cuss words out this video or nothing. I'm gonna look you right in your eye and tell you it's like that. For real for you. Forget, man, I'm not even... Woo! Now that I got all that out of my system, when you do decide to deactivate me, DoorDash, I do have 3-4 brand new accounts ready, lined up. So it's all good. You don't care about us. We don't care about you. You don't care about the customer. I get it. I will use you and abuse you as much as I can for as long as I can, especially if you can't even turn a profit in the stock market. Let's pull up your stock price right now, matter of fact. Look at this. Stock then went down to 110 per share. Look at this. Look at that decline. If it was ever a time to short DoorDash stock, it is now. Look at the support and resistance. DoorDash is literally trash. Look at the whole course of the life of the stock. Look at that. Straight up trash. I mean, they had their initial push, and that was it. Let me go to the yearly chart. Hold on. Let's go to the 12-month. Let's just put it on the 12-month chart. Look at this. Shot up to $250 a share and ain't been able to recover since. Barely doing anything right now. But look, we will be shorting some DoorDash stock. Investors will not be making no money, because if Dashers ain't making no money, damn it, investors ain't making no money too. So if it was ever a time to short this stock, it is now. Fuck you, DoorDash. Man, these DoorDash clowns is something else. I didn't have to private my video because they claimed that I showed the customer information. So you know what? It's all good. I put a couple blurs in this video, so I apologize if in a couple sections of this video you had to see a couple blurs, but I had to go ahead and re-upload this video so that I can make sure I get all my YouTube money. But I want to first and foremost say, look, to you who watching this video and made it all the way to the end, thank you. Because without you, there wouldn't be no point in making these videos. I appreciate you. But to the person that reported me on my last video, you are a clown. I will be doing extra editing just because of you, making extra money. So I appreciate it. I'm gonna actually start putting out more videos per day, talking shit about DoorDash and the clown drivers that drive for them, like yourself. Since you want to be, a DoorDash superhero, you want to, report me to corporate and report me to YouTube. Don't you worry. I will make sure that I blur out every customer name from here on forward, and I will make sure that I put extra emphasis on how much them customers suck, and you as well. But to everybody else who made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you. And also, thank you for being a member on the channel. As of right now, we currently have the most members on the channel that we've ever had, ever. Check this out. 60 total channel members. Appreciate you guys so much. You see it. Revenue from channel members, $135 in the last 31 days. Thank you so much, channel members, for being a big supporter of the channel. More DoorDash content will be coming. That's right, because you know what? Deactivation don't scare me. It don't mean nothing. DoorDash don't care about you. They don't care about me. They really don't care about the customer. But in all honesty, they care about them a lot more than they care about me and you as the driver. So don't let them take advantage of you. Make your money the same way I'm making my money off of them. And I'll see you in the next video.